Hello, Nadine here, and today I am going to make a pumpkin shaped card. This is a die from Maker's Movement called Pumpkin Card Die Set. So those are the dies. Here is an example back here of what it looks like once it's cut out. So to start, I took a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock and I cut it in half at 6 inches, and then one of the pieces once I cut into the 6 inches wide, so it's 6 by 12, then I just folded it in half. And let me get this cut apart using my nippers from Maker's Movement, and then I will show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, I got it all cut apart and put on my little magnetic sheet right here so I don't lose my pieces. And now taking the biggest die, and with the card that I have folded in half, so this is the part that is where it's folded together, I'm going to take this die and I want it to just slightly come over the top so it will not cut on this top edge. And then I'm just going to use some washi tape to hold it into place. And then on the other half of the 12 by 12, or the 6 inch half, I am going to take another one of these, and then with this round one, I'm going to die cut that out as well. Okay, so now that I have that cut out, I am going to take a embossing folder, and I only want the top part of it to be embossed. So I'm going to put folder in like this, or I mean the card in like that, and then I'm going to run it through my die cutting machine just to emboss the front side of it. Okay, both of my pieces are embossed now, so it'll be something like that. And since the cardstock that I used is a Coordinations, it has a lighter color core. This is the color on the inside of the paper. So what I'm going to do is just take a piece of sandpaper and just lightly go over the top. So on that raised area, you can see that on there, the raised areas will be lighter. Alright, now that I got those sanded down, so you can see that cool look that it gives it, I'm going to take some VersaMagic in Jumbo Java and just run it along the edges to give it a little bit more definition on the edges and, I don't know, age it, I guess? Distress it, age it, however you want to say it. My little ink pad is old and you can see it flopping around there falling apart because I use it this way a lot. So the next step is to cut out the little leaves. I'm going to do that on some green cardstock, and then the stem and the give thanks I'm going to do in some brown. Alright, I got everything cut out now, and then on the back of this piece I added some 3D foam tape. Probably got a little carried away with it, but hey, at least we know it's not going to go anywhere. And then I'm just going to peel this off, stick it to the front of my card. There we go. And then just going to place this on the top, and then add all the leaves. So now I got the leaves added to it, and then I have had this ribbon forever, forever that I actually forgot about, but somehow my cat found it and pulled it out of a drawer. So I decided to cut a couple of the sunflowers out and add it to the card right there. And now I'm just going to add the title. And to do that, I'm going to run that through my Xyron Create a Sticker. And now I'm just going to add it to the front of my card. And there it is completed. Cute card. And it's not a lot of dimensions, so it will fit and mail well. I did add a little bit of foam tape or foam squares underneath those leaves that you can see back there, just to give it a little bit more dimension. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you saw, and I'd also love you to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.